let's look at 3 English phrases for giving your opinion. Sharing your opinion clearly, naturally boosts confidence. So if you wish to share your thoughts confidently in English, here are 3 simple phrases that makes expressing your opinion easy and natural. Phrase 1. In my opinion, global warming should definitely be curbed. Use this to politely start your view. Another example is, in my opinion, learning English online is effective. Phrase 2. I personally believe that. This phrase adds a personal touch to emphasize that it's your perspective. For example, I personally believe that practicing every day helps a lot. Phrase 3. If you ask me. This is a casual and friendly way to give your opinion. For example, if you ask me, this app is the best for learning English. Conclusion. These phrases will help you share your thoughts clearly and confidently. So which phrase will you use next? Let me know in the comments section below. Happy learning! I'll see you in the next. Like, share and subscribe.